going to start tonight with this wood pumpkin from Dollar Tree, this craft paper from Hobby Lobby, and I'll be using one of these metal signs. I'm going to galvanize it, and yeah, I'll just show you what I come up with tonight. So we'll trace this out, and I will be using some fabric spray just to hold the paper on once I get it cut out. And this will be a double-sided pumpkin. One side will have the craft paper, and then the other side I will stain and decorate. Now this is the burnt umber apple barrel paint, and I've just mixed it with a little bit of water, and I'm going to stain this side, and after that dries I'm going to place the craft paper on the other side. I did go around the edges as well, but now what you see me doing is I'm just darkening, making an outline, I guess you would say, around the pumpkin so the edges will be darker. And here's that adhesive I'll be using. I'll just put a light coat on the pumpkin, and then I'll place the paper on. And it sticks really well. And when I did flip it over, I saw that it was a little too big, so I did trim that up. I am using the burnt umber and a gray, and I'm just going to go over this sign to make it look a little more rustic, and you need to let this dry really well before placing it on your sign, or it will just smear right off. I did take 3 Jenga blocks and stain those, and then I used a little hot glue to hold them together, but it just didn't work out real well, so I ended up taking the hot glue off and just using wood glue. I must have missed some footage somewhere, but I did put the welcome sign on, and then those are those little wood sticker pumpkins and leaves from Dollar Tree, and I just painted the pumpkins orange, and I used red and the burnt umber mixed for the leaf. And here's the Jenga blocks. I'm going to use a little wood glue and prop this up and let it dry, and I'll show you the final result in a moment. And here it is. I think I like this side better. I'm not sure. It is pretty dark, but you can still see the welcome sign, and I love the little pumpkins and the leaf on it at the bottom. I think it needs some more embellishment at the top, but I like it just like it is. And here is the second side. Actually, I like this side too. Let me know what you guys think. Side 1 or side 2? Thank you so much for watching tonight. Thanks to my subscribers, and if you're not, I'd love to have you join. Remember, like, share, and comment, and I will see you in my next video.